In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run ads for Shopify on Facebook. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your advertising strategy, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring your Shopify store gets the attention it deserves. First things first, let's dive into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Ads Manager. You can find this on the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage. Simply click on Ads Manager, and this will take you to the hub where all your advertising magic happens. Ads Manager is where you create, manage, and track your campaigns, so it's essential to get comfortable navigating around here. Once you're in Ads Manager, the next step is to create a new ad campaign. Look for the Create button, which is usually prominent and easy to spot. Clicking this button will initiate the creation process. This part is crucial because here you'll decide on the type of campaign you want to run. You can choose from various objectives like brand awareness, reach, traffic, and conversions depending on your business goals. For a Shopify store, focusing on driving traffic or conversions can be particularly beneficial as they directly influence sales. After choosing your campaign objective, you'll be prompted to set up a new ad set or ad. This is where you get to define your target audience, budget, and schedule. Consider who your ideal customers are and where they are located. Facebook provides a range of targeting options, allowing you to hone in on demographics, interests, and behaviors that align with your brand. Setting a budget is equally important. Decide on a daily or lifetime budget that suits your financial plan while also considering the scale of your campaign. Now, here comes the creative part. Setting up your Shopify ads. In this section, you'll choose the format of your ad, whether it's a single image, carousel, or video. Make sure your visuals are eye-catching and your message is clear. Since this is linked to your Shopify store, highlight your products effectively, showcasing what makes them unique. Facebook's ad platform allows you to add a call to action button, which is a great way to encourage viewers to shop now or learn more. Lastly, before launching your ad, review all the elements to ensure everything aligns with your objectives. Double-check your targeting, budget, and ad creatives to ensure they're all set up correctly. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish button and your ad will be in the queue for review. Facebook will then review your ad to make sure it complies with their guidelines, and once approved, it will go live. That's it for setting up your Shopify ads on Facebook. With these steps, you're well on your way to reaching a broader audience and driving more traffic to your store. Remember, the key is to continuously monitor and adjust your campaigns for optimal performance. Happy advertising!